The Seoul Pyongyang hotline is actually not a single hotline, as there are over 40 telephone lines that connect North and South Korea. Most of them run through the Panmunjom Joint Security Area within the Korean Demilitarized Zone and are maintained by the Red Cross. The border hotline in the Panmunjom area has terminals located in the Freedom House at the South Korean side and in the Panmunjom building at the North Korean side. The terminals consist of a computer screen with red and green telephone handsets. In total, there are 33 telecommunication lines between North and South Korea that run through Panmunjom. 5 of them are used for daily communications, 21 for negotiations between the two countries, 2 for handling air traffic, 2 for sea transport and 3 for economic cooperation. Additionally, there are 15 telephone lines which run outside Panmunjom because of geographical reasons. These include lines between military authorities and for the Inter-Korean Railroad between Dorasan Station in the south and Panmun Station in the north. The first hotline was established in September 1971 to allow the North and South Korean Red Crosses to negotiate. Further lines were agreed to, in principle, at the 4th of July 1972 joint communique between the two states and began operation on the 18th of August 1972. More lines were established throughout the 1990s and 2000s. The hotlines were unilaterally disconnected by North Korea 7 times. In 1976, 1980, 1996, 2008, 2010, 2013, and 2016. Each time, the lines were reconnected again after some time. In 2013, North Korea disconnected the hotline between the 11th of March and the 3rd of July, when it withdrew from the 1953 armistice and voided non-aggression pacts with South Korea. This was in response to rising tension between North Korea, South Korea, and the United States. According to a government official from South Korea on the 11th of March 2013, a call was placed at 9 a.m. and there was no response. North Korea reopened the hotline on the 7th of June 2013. In February 2016, North Korea cut off the hotline communications after South Korea suspended the cooperation between both countries in the Kaesong industrial region as a response to a nuclear weapons test by the North. After Kim Jong-un's New Year's address, the hotline was reopened again on January 3, 2018. On April 20, 2018, a hotline connecting President Moon Jae-in to North Korean leader Kim Jong-un was installed. 1 week ahead of their historic April 27 summit, the direct communication line was set up between Moon's office at Cheongwadae and Kim's office at the State Affairs Commission.